unboxing of the Cirro Laser Blue, and initial setup. You've purchased a Cirro Laser Blue? This short video will demonstrate the unboxing. It will explain details about the scope of supply and guide you through the initial setup. First, there is the Cirro Laser Blue control unit, including the handpiece with the integrated finger switch. The battery for your Cirro Laser Blue is already mounted. There is a second handpiece sleeve for alternating use. So, while you are reprocessing the used handpiece sleeve, you will have another ready for the next treatment. The multi-tip with 8mm diameter is especially for the photobiomodulation applications. There is a fiber cutter in case you need to cleave the easy tips during treatment. And there is a bending tool to bend the easy tip for perfect access and handling in the oral cavity. For eye protection, there is a set of 3 laser protective goggles, one for the patient and another 2 goggles for the operator and assistant. Always make sure that you are using correct and undamaged goggles. To charge the battery, there's the power supply, as well as a power cable. There is already a protection cap attached to the handpiece, but there are some spares in case of loss. And finally, there's a documentation set consisting of the instructions for use, the medical product log, and the handover report, as well as a set of labels. Note, due to regulatory and safety reasons, the easy tips are not part of the scope of supply. Please always make sure to order the easy tips separately. Now, let us perform the initial setup of your Cirro Laser Blue. The Cirro Laser Blue is turned on by pushing the on-off button on the back side of the control unit. In some cases, when the laser has been switched off for a longer time, it may be necessary to press the on-off button twice to start the unit. While the Cirro Laser Blue is booting, information about the software version, as well as a note to read the user manual, will be displayed. When starting the Cirro Laser Blue for the very first time, you will automatically be asked to set up the unit. Please proceed as follows. Number 1. Country setting. For all users except US users, please change the preset country setting to non-US and confirm the selection by entering the PIN code 3334 and press OK. Reminder: the standard key user PIN code for accessing the Cirro Laser Blue is 2974. Secondly, language. Please select the appropriate language. And then, date and time. Please enter the appropriate date and time and press OK. Now, you're ready to work.